Test your English grammar. This, that, these, those. Can you score 10 points out of 10? Leave your score in the comment section. Let's get started. This is a flower. These are flowers. That is a box. Those are boxes. That is my father. Those are my parents. Are those your friends? Is that your friend? What are those things? What is that thing? These documents are important. This document is important. Are these your shoes? Is this your shoe? That's a good car. Those are good cars. This is John. These are John and Collar. These are cheap computers. This is a cheap computer.